Meet the Winton TH25 Triple Hit End Former. Built for precision, speed, and unmatched part quality. Featuring a precision flag stop with micro adjustments, the TH25 makes fine-tuning fast and accurate. With on-the-fly adjustments through the HNI and continuous part counting, you'll keep production running smoothly. Its easy-to-use keypad and display simplify setup, while the triple hit end forming process delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Achieve repeatability within plus or minus 0.001 inches. Key benefits include lot-to-part and lot-to-lot consistency. Built with common, off-the-shelf components for easy maintenance. Interlock safety guard for operator protection. Quick change tooling to minimize downtime. E-stop for safe operation. Proximity switches to verify clamp and ram positions. The Winton TH25, where precision meets productivity, helping you deliver quality parts faster. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-8832-11499 today, or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.